Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all are very well. Welcome to online classes. This is Usha working at KZBV Kanaganpalli, Anantapur district. Today we are discuss about the chapter is statistics. Introduction to statistics. What is meaning of statistics? It is the study of the collection, analysis, presentation and organization of data. So data means example of data, mark sheets, good price list, etc. Presentation of data. We can presentation data by various ways like table, bar graph, histogram, frequency polygon, pie chart. Enough. Presentation of data, table and bar graph. Prices of vegetables, number of votes, runs in a cricket match. Next we are discuss about the raw data. What is mean by raw data? It is a collection of actual information directly from the source. It is also called as ungrouped data. So, example of the ungrouped data is marks obtained by 20 students in a mathematics test for a total marks of 20 or 8, 5, 4, 6, 1, 2, 5, 10, 5, 7, 1, 4, 3, 5, 2, 6, 3, 4, 7, 5. We collection of data has two types, that is primary data and second one is secondary data. What is mean by primary data? The information collected by the investigator with a definite objective. Example of the primary data is number of slipping that each student have. Again we can discuss secondary data. What is meant by secondary data is the information collected from a source which had already been recorded. Example of the secondary data: day wise number of absentees in your class during a last month. Range of data, array. The raw data when put in ascending order or descending order from a magnitude is called an array. Next we are discuss range. The range of a set of data is the difference between the largest and smallest value. So we can take one example. Range of data. We can see the some observations: 8, 5, 4, 6, 1, 2, 5, 10, 7, 4, 3, 6, 1. Okay, students, we observe these observations. Which is the highest number in observations? 10. Very good. Again, which is the smallest value is 1. So we can subtract the highest maximum value minus minimum value. That is 10 minus 1 equal to 9. So therefore this is the range is 9. Next we are discuss about the frequency distribution of table. Frequency distribution. Frequency distribution are two types. The first one is discrete frequency distribution or ungrouped frequency distribution. Second one is grouped frequency distribution. Grouped frequency distribution has two types: continuous series or exclusive class intervals. And second one is discontinuous series or inclusive class intervals. Discrete frequency distribution or ungrouped frequency distribution. We will take an example. Marks obtained by 20 students in a mathematics test for a total marks of 10 are 8, 5, 4, 6, 1, 2, 5, 10, 5, 7, 1, 4, 3, 5, 2, 6, 3, 4, 7, 5. First we will draw one table. We write marks, tally marks, number of students. In marks, first of the marks is 1. 1 mark got how many students? 2 students. We write number of students is right to 2. Tally marks also 1, 2. Next 2 marks. 2 marks has how many students got the 2 marks? 1, 2, 2 members. Again 3. 3 marks has got how many members? 2. Next 4 marks you can write for 3 members. 5 marks got for 5 members. 6 marks got 2 members. 7 marks got 2 members. 8 marks has 1 member. 9 marks no numbers, that is 0. 10 marks has only 1 member. So here we have marks of 20 students for a test of 10 marks. 8, 5, 4, 6, 1, 2, 5, 10, 5, 7, 1, 4, 3, 5, 2, 6, 3, 4, 7, 5. Given the observations are ungrouped data, so we change grouped data. So how to change grouped data? We divide class intervals, that is 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 5 to 6, 7 to 8, 9 to 10 marks. We make a one table form, that is class interval, tally marks, frequency. 1 to 2 marks, how many got students? 4 members. That is, we write tally marks is 1, 2, 3, 4. Next class interval 3 to 4. How many members? 5 members. The tally marks is 1, 2, 3, 4. Class value 5. Again 5 to 6. How many members? 7 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Class 1 is 1, 5, 6, 7. 7 to 8 has 3 members. 1, 2, 3. 9 to 10 only 1 member. You can draw tally marks is 1. This table is called grouped frequency distribution table. Each class interval is bounded by 2 numbers called class limits. Next one. The number of items in a class interval is called frequency. Grouped frequency distribution. We will take an example. Marks obtained by 20 students in a mathematics test for a total marks of 10 are, we could write observations. 8, 5, 4, 6, 1, 2, 5, 10, 5, 7, 1, 4, 3, 2, 6, 3, 4, 7, 5. We will make a one table. So marks, tally marks, number of students. We write class intervals 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10. 0 to 2. How many members got the 2 marks? Only 2 members. 2 to 4. How many members got the 2, 3, 4 marks? 4 members. 4 to 6 marks has 8 members. 6 to 8 marks has 4 members. 8 to 10 marks got has 2 members. We write tally marks. How many students in 0 to 2 marks? 2 members. Again 4 members. Again 8 members. Again 4 members. Again 2 members. You can write the tally marks. What is meant by class mark? The class mark is the average of lower and upper class limits is called mid values of class interval or class mark. Therefore, the class mark equal to upper class limit plus lower class limit by 2. We will take one example. Class mark of class interval 2 to 4. Class mark equal to, what is the upper class limit is there? 2 to 4, 4. And lower class limit is 2. So 2 plus 4 by 2 equal to 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 by 2. 2 ones, 2 threes, that equal to 3. We have to take another example of grouped frequency distribution. Marks obtained by 20 students in a mathematics test for a total marks of 10 are 8, 5, 4, 6, 1, 2, 5, 10, 5, 7, 1, 4, 3, 5, 2, 6, 3, 4, 7, 5. So we find the solution. So we write a group frequency distribution of the table. So we write first one is tally marks, tally marks, number of students. 1 to 2 class interval. How many members got to 1 to 2 marks? 4 members. Again 3 to 4, how many members got the marks? 5 members. 5 to 6, 7 members. 7 to 8, 3 members. 9 to 10, 1 member. Next we have find for the tally marks. 1 to 2, 1 to 2, how many members? 4 members. So tally marks is 4. 3 to 4 has 5 members. 5 to 6 has 7 members. 7 to 8 have 3 members. 9 to 10 have 1 member. So we can observe this table. One upper limit and one lower limit is different. That is 2 and 3, 4 to 5, 6 to 7, 8 to 9. So this is called as a inclusive or discontinuous series. How to convert a discontinuous series into continuous series, that is inclusive class interval to exclusive class interval. The first table we can observe for this inclusive class interval. To change exclusive class interval, how to change inclusive class interval to exclusive class interval? First of all, we will take a one class interval, that is 1 to 2. So the lower limit is 1, upper limit is 2. So lower limit we have to subtract 0.5, upper limit we have add 0.5. So to change 1 to 2 has 0.5 to 2.5. Again next class interval 3 to 4. We have to change exclusive class interval, that is the lower limit is 3, upper limit is 4. We have to change lower limit to decrease the 0.5. Upper limit has increasing the 0.5, that is 2.5 to 4.5. Next class interval 5 to 6. We have to change in lower limit has decreasing 0.5, upper limit has increasing 0.5. We can change for 4.5 to 6.5. Next class interval 7 to 8. We can change 6.5 to 8.5. Next class interval 9 to 10. We can change 8.5 to 10.5. So totally we can change the inclusive to exclusive class interval. So adjustment factor equal to lower limit of second class minus upper limit of plus first class by 2. Next we have discussed measure of central tendency. The commonly used measure of central tendency are arithmetic mean or mean or average. The second one is median and next one is mode. Arithmetic mean, if x1, x2, x3 and so on xn are n values of a variable x, then the arithmetic mean or simplified mean of these values by denoted by x bar and is defined as x bar equal to sum of observations by number of observations. So next, therefore x bar equal to what is sum of observations? x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus and so on xn by number of observations is small n, that is by n. Therefore x bar equal to summation xi by n. We have to take one example of arithmetic mean. Ramu scored 9, 7, 8, 9, 10 grades in Telugu, Hindi, English, Maths, Science, Social respectively. Then find his GPA. So to find the solution. So what is the formula of arithmetic mean? X bar equal to sum of observations by total number of observations equal to what is the sum of observations? 9 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 9 plus 10 by how many observations is there? 6 observations. So therefore we add the 9 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 9 plus 10 equal to 52. So therefore 52 by 6. We calculate the 52 by 6 is 8.666 and so on. So respectively 8.7. Therefore the arithmetic mean is 8.7. We have to take another example of arithmetic mean. Find the mean of first 5 prime numbers. So to find the solution. First 5 prime numbers are 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 11. So we find mean. X bar equal to, what is the formula? Sum of observations by number of observations. Sum of observations is 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11. How many total number of observations is 5. So we have to add 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 11 is 28 by 5. So we calculate the final answer is 5.6. Next we have discussed about the median. Median is defined as the measure of middle term when the observations are arranged in ascending order or descending order. Let the total number of observations be small n. If n is odd, then median is the value of n plus 1 by 2 observation. If n is even, then median is the average of n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 observation. We will take an example of median. Find the median of 6, 8, 9, 12, 11, 10 and 13. So we find the solution. First we arrange the ascending order of the observations. 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many observations is there? 7. So 7 is odd number. So total number of terms is 7. 7 is odd number. So we can find the median. 7 plus 1 by 2. What is the odd number formula? So 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 by 2 is 4th. What is the 4th term? 10. So therefore the median value is 10. Another example of median. Find the median of 22, 23, 24, 25, 27, 26, 28 and 21. Find the median. You can write for solution. First we arrange the descending order. 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. You can observe how many observations is there? 8. So 8 is even number. Total number of terms is 8. 8 is even number. What is the formula of even number? N plus 1 by 2. That is median equal to average of 4th and 5th observations. What is the 4th observation? 25. What is the 5th observation? 24. 25 plus 24 by 2. The total is 49 by 2. 49 by 2 equal to 24.5. Therefore median equal to 24.5. Next we have discussed about the mode. What is the definition of mode? Mode of the group of observations is the variable that occurs most frequency is the distribution. Example of the mode: 1, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4. In this observation, which value has more repeated? 3 is repeated. That is the final answer is mode is 3. So what is the mode mean? Repeating value is called as a mode. Some examples of mode. The first question is, find the mode of the data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can this observation any number is repeated? No. So the final solution is in this problem has no mode. Second question. Find the mode of the data 1, 2, 2, 4, 5. In this observation any number is repeated? Yes. The repeated number is 2. How many times? 2 times. So the mode is 2. Next example. Find the mode of the data 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. So in these observations any number is repeated? Yes, 2 numbers are repeated. That is 3 and 6. So 3 is how many times repeated? 2 times. And 6 is also 2 times repeated. So the final answer is mode equal to 3, 6. Next question. Find the mode of the data 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 6, 6. So you can find the mode. In these observations, all numbers 2 times repeated. So they have no mode. Types of modal series. The first one is unimodal series. What is meant by unimodal series? The series which contains one mode. The second one is bimodal series. The series which contains two modes. Trimodal series. The series which contains three modes. The fourth one is ill-defined mode. In a series has more than one mode, then mode is said to be ill-defined. We have to take some observation. One number is repeated is called unimodal series. Two numbers repeated is called bimodal series. Three numbers repeated is called trimodal series. Okay, students, in this session, I hope understood what have we learned. Basic terminology, some home assignment, and group frequency distribution, find the mean, median, mode of definition and some more examples. And second question, the time taken in seconds to solve a problem by each of 25 students is as follows. We write observations 16, 20, 26, 27, 28, 30, 33, 37, 38, 40, 42, 43, 46, 46, 46, 48, 49, 50, 53, 58, 59, 60, 64, 52, 20. Construct a frequency distribution for this data using a class intervals of 10 seconds. Okay, thank you one and all.